So today guys, we got a new vehicle. We sold the 2012 Honda Civic. Right now we're doing oil change and flushing all the fluids in this car. We have an 03 Honda Pilot. So let's follow the process. As you can see, we're using Valvoline. I already tried to peel this out, and they see this.
Yeah.
And get this here.
Cold. So windy.
And I'm gonna show them this. It's sealed. I'm gonna open this up.
And then you're gonna put a little amount of
What's this?
oil there. I guess I know already the process because I'm the one taking a video of you. Oh, so many this time.
That's good enough. Okay. Just wanna make sure that
Ang laki pala ng ganyan na yan. Ba't yung sa'yo
we
po
loop
bilog
this.
lang? Parang 1/4 lang na yan, no?
No, because this is taller. Just wanna make sure that we lube this here. You guys can see it's lubed. We're gonna go ahead and place it back. Show them underneath that the oil is still dripping. And we're gonna quickly clean this side here.
Tutulo pa din.
Gonna clean.
It's so cold.
Show them this. Gonna quickly clean this side. Where the
I don't know if
where the engine oil filter sits. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it nicely. Maps, can you
what?
grab me a towel? It's in the truck. Hold this phone. Hold that phone. Let's look for the door, eh?
Oh. Oh.
One second.
Ako po, nahiga ka na naman dyan. Ligo ka mamaya.
Yeah. You ready?
Kailangan pa ba kita yung video dyan?
Not really. Here. This every process that I did in my car, this has been cleaned.
Your hands.
Just make sure that this side where the drain plug sits is clean as well. Where's the bolt?
I don't know. There. I rolled them. No?
Where?
God, it's so cold. Bilisan mo. Your hand. That?
Yeah. Now we're gonna put some funnel on my
Word.
203. It's down here. Can you see it? way down here. Gonna put this funnel. It's a tight fit.
Tagal mo naman kung lamig.
Natapos na yung classes eh.
Oh, baka maano.
Baka sa kabila.
Sige, sige.
Ano nakikita?
Oh my gulay. Oops. Yan, may tumulong konti.
It's okay.
Kamay mo. Parang kailangan mo bumbahan tong gulong.
I'll do that later.
Ayun o, tingnan mo yung isa parang medyo ano. Ayos yung ano ah. Sabihin mo dun sa Pepsi, baka naman. Halos magkamukha lang pala yung sa kanya nung itong sasakyan. Ha?
Yeah.
Ano ba yun? Forerunner?
Yeah.
Yung sa kanya?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just like that, your maintenance is done.
Alright.
So, easy peasy.
We're done?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can just show them the kilometers. Go in the car. Crank it up. Oh, don't start it, okay?
Yeah.
Show them the kilometers.
How can I check?
Yeah, so sila naman to. Here.
Ay, makasayaw ko.
Okay, hold it.
Eh, kasi ayaw ko
in.
nakadumi yung...
Get in.
Nadadumihan ako.
Sige. I'll just show them. Just cut it. Cut it. I'll just show them later. So we did manage to finish the job. I tightened it up and I put 4.8 liter. Now I'm gonna show you my kilometers and also take this one out of the way. There you have it. Nice and easy job. We're sitting at 192. So next oil change is, that's already 197.